Hey, it's Ike with Kratos Design Group talking about our latest products, the Hera and Hera Lite bag riders for Magpul SL and SLS stocks. So what these are is they're an attachment that go on your Magpul stocks, and what they do is they add a little bit more surface area to the bottom of the stock. So if you look at the typical stock, you only have about maybe half an inch of surface area to contact your rear support bag. What these do is they give you more surface area. So on the Hera, you have a little bit over 2 inches of surface area that it gives you. Really nice, long, stable platform to ride on top of your rear support bag. And the Hera Lite is just a shrunk down version of that. Gives you about 1.5 inches of increased surface area. So what we're trying to do here is mimic, the PR-style stock. Typically those stocks have a very, very long bottom portion that is made for contacting the rear support bag. These provide a lot of stability from your shooting position, and they're a really nice asset to have. But what these do is allow you to run your assaulter style stocks like the SL and SLS, the more compact, typically made for your carbine type applications. But if you're running an LPVO or something like this Leupold Mark V, with that assaulter style stock, you want to be able to reach out to distances. You might be using a rear support bag from time to time. With the current setup, it's not very ideal. This gives you a little bit more area there and makes you a lot more stable. The other cool thing that we've done is we have a spot for your multitasker Nano and Nano 2 optic adjustment tool. So it just slides right in there, and this way you can always have your multitasker Nano on board. Doesn't take up any extra space, just sits there nicely, and it's there when you need it. We also have a spot for a 1/4 inch screwdriver bit, so this fits in just right in there, and again gives you another spot to have an optic adjustment tool or just another piece of hardware that you might need from time to time. Again, doesn't take up any space. This is dead space anyway, so just another cool way to have some extra tools on your gun at all times. And of course, if you don't like it, it's optional. You don't have to put it in there. Now, these don't come with the multitasker tool or the bit. Those are sold separately. Just wanted to point that out. Some other cool features that we have here is the texture on the bottom. We have this really aggressive texturing here on both the Hera and the Hera Lite, and this will help just give you a little bit more grip on your rear support bag, make sure it doesn't slide around and all that. The other thing too is these fit very seamlessly to the back of the stock. So if you look here, it doesn't create any snags. It just kind of molds right into the back. There's some locking tabs on the inside, and those kind of piece together. And then on the Magpul SLS and SL stocks, there's this rear sling mount, and part of the tabs lock into that to keep it from moving up and down. So once you attach this, it's not going anywhere. It's going to be very, very stable and not slide around on you. But that's pretty much it. These are available for the Magpul SL, SLS. Right now we have some for the B5 Enhanced SOP mod, the SOP mod, the Bravo, and the Magpul CTR in the works. Those should be out later this year. And right now we have these available in black, but Magpul FDE and Magpul OD Green are in the works as well. Those should be out pretty soon. But these are available on the website right now, also bigtexordnance.com or any of our other dealers. So be sure and check them out. And if you have any questions or if I left anything out, please let me know. We're really excited about these. I think these are going to be an awesome product. Been running these for a while. We've gone through a lot of revisions on these, and I'm really excited with how they turned out. But I hope y'all are too, and I will see you next time.